Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how to merge multiple PDFs into a single PDF file. First of all, go to adobe.com. On the search bar, type in merge and then hit enter. Scroll down and then you will find multiple search results for that keyword. Click on the first one. From this page, click Combine Files link. This will redirect you to PDF's Merger Tool page. Click Select Files button and upload PDF's files that you want to merge or combine. You can add as many PDFs you want. Once the PDFs are uploaded, select all of them and click Merge. After the merged PDF is ready, click Download. This is how you can merge PDFs into a single file easily. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.